What's up, man?
What's up?
What you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm working. You can't get away from my vehicle, please.
Don't touch me. Don't.
You're interrupting me. You're avoiding me.
You were in your car. You came out to us.
I'm trying to get the camera out of my face.
Listen. You walked into my camera.
Well, I was, 10 feet away from all of them because they're reasonable about it. All right.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's video was submitted by Mass Accountability and J Surreal Camera, who on November 12th of 2021 was filming a felony traffic stop of an alleged stolen vehicle in Lee County, Florida, involving the Fort Myers Police and the Lee County Sheriff's Office. At first, no one pays them any mind as they film the scene. They make it a point to stay outside the officer's wagon wheel, but after a few moments, Deputy Oro exits his unmarked vehicle, aside from his license plate, and approaches Mass Accountability. Shortly after, Jay's Surreal Camera joins the conversation.
What's up, man?
What's up?
What you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm working.
What's your name and badge number?
I don't need to give you that
Yes,
right
you
now.
do.
It's Detective Oro, Lee County Sheriff's Office.
What's your
Can
badge
you move
number?
away from
Absolutely
my
not.
What happened?
I can't move away from nothing. No, absolutely
Are
not.
you asking or are you commanding?
I'm asking.
You're
Yeah.
asking. If you're asking,
I'm
gonna
asking you.
decline.
No, look,
Yeah.
we're conducting an investigation.
I understand that. Am I bothering you?
Right now, you're behind my vehicle.
It doesn't
I don't
matter.
know.
Is that a law that I'm breaking?
Right now,
is that
this is
allowed?
my
What's your
scene.
badge number?
This is my scene.
What's your badge number?
This is my scene.
Is your scene, your name's on it? Let me see your name. Where's your name?
I need you guys to back up.
Yeah, I need you to give me your badge
We're not
number.
bothering
I just
you,
gave
bro.
it to you.
No, you
Why
didn't.
is it-
You
why
gave me
is
your
Lee
name. What's your
County-
badge
why are you
number?
guys-
1206.
why are you guys
12068.
assholes?
Can you guys move back?
But
Absolutely
why is Lee
not.
County
I don't
such
know.
assholes?
Why are you
Fort
being like
Myers
that?
Absolutely
is
not. What's your name and badge?
Fort Myers is always cool. You guys always
42107, Francis.
You don't. What is my name gonna do for you?
Just asking you. I'm establishing a conversation with you.
I don't answer questions. How you like that one?
Conversation with you. What's your name? You haven't given me your name.
As Mass Accountability records the call log, Detective Oro tells him that he can't get away from the vehicle and don't move away as he tries to prevent him from filming.
Yes, I can.
No,
Yes, I can. What are you gonna arrest me for?
You can't get away from my vehicle, please.
Don't
Come
touch
on.
me.
Come on.
Don't f***ing touch me.
Don't move away.
Don't f***ing
I'm
touch
telling
me.
you, you can't
Don't
get away
touch
from my
me.
vehicle right
I can
now.
be next to
No,
your
you
vehicle
can't.
if I want.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you
That's
can't.
not your
That's our
You're gonna move
vehicle.
away from my vehicle
No, I'm
right
not.
now.
Registration. Show me the registration.
Move away from
No,
my
I'm not.
vehicle. Get the camera out of my
No,
face.
absolutely not. Don't
you're
touch me,
walking
bro.
up to us.
Get the
You're
camera out of my
touch
face.
me.
You're walking
Get
up
the
to
camera
us.
out of my
touch me.
face.
Walking up to
Listen.
us.
You walked into my camera.
Why are you getting close to my vehicle?
Because we could do
I can
that.
if I
That's
want.
not- that's not
That's all
personal-
public
that's-
record.
There's
that's
personal
public-
That's all
property in
public
there as well.
record.
That belongs.
I'm
It
gonna
doesn't
look at
matter.
I'm gonna look
I
at
can
it.
do whatever the f I
Look
want.
at it. I'm gonna look at it. There's nothing you
I
can
can do whatever I want, bro.
That's not a law I'm breaking. You started with us. You
Listen,
started with us.
move away
No.
from the vehicle.
No.
Move away from the vehicle.
Or what?
It's
Are
my
you
vehicle.
gonna arrest me for something?
I will. You're
For what?
interrupting my scene right
No,
now.
I wasn't.
So you're obstructing
I
my
wasn't.
investigation
No, I'm not.
right now. Yeah, you
No,
are.
I'm not.
You're interrupting me. You're avoiding me.
You were in
Okay?
your car.
Okay,
You
listen
came
me.
out to
I'm
us.
trying to do an investigation here.
Dude, we're
and
not
you're,
doing it.
you're
Get in
not,
your
you're
car.
not allowing me to do it because
Yes,
you're
I
in front
am.
of me with
No,
cameras.
no.
Yeah, you
wrong.
are.
You came to
No,
us.
you
You
came
came
Because
to
you're
us.
walking behind my
That doesn't
vehicle.
matter.
Is
You're-
that a law I'm
It's
breaking?
not. No, it's not against
You're
the law,
obstructing my
bro.
investigation.
It's not against the
You're
law.
obstructing
No, we
my-
aren't.
You're obstructing my
Unless we're
investigation.
physically in between.
You're obstructing
Unless
my
we're
investigation.
physically in between you and somebody else.
You're not scaring nobody, man.
Just 2.5 minutes after making contact with Mass Accountability for standing behind his car, Detective Oro slaps the camera to the ground and both Jay and Mass are arrested for obstructing without violence, which is covered under Florida Statute 843.02. It defines obstruction as one who resists, obstructs, or opposes any officer authorized to execute process, in the execution of legal process, or in the lawful execution of any legal duty without violence. This statute has been ruled constitutionally vague. In fact, the statute is so poorly written that just about anyone, anytime, could be arrested and charged with obstruction for just about anything an officer feels is obstructing their ability to conduct simple tasks. The written narrative for both Jay and Mass Accountability was copy and pasted to both men's probable cause affidavit. Both state that Detective Oro was assisting Fort Myers officers by performing analytical research on a vehicle they believed to be stolen. The suspect was already in custody when Mass and Jay began filming, but because Mass was behind the vehicle, Detective Oro lost sight of him, which made him unable to concentrate on his computer. Because he got scared, his fear prompted him to approach Mass Accountability. The affidavit goes on to lie about Mass holding his phone close to the deputy's face, when the footage shows the officer closed the distance between himself and the camera, and was the only one to touch anyone else without consent. Furthermore, Wilkerson v. State dissects this this exact statute. In it, the court held that the word obstruct, when pertaining to section 843.02, means to interfere apart from verbal expressions, which physically hinders another in doing something. Note that aside from this ruling, many state codes and statutes include that First Amendment activities cannot be used as cause for obstruction. Chuck Bronson was also on scene, and as Jay and Mass were arrested, Chuck began filming the scene from the same spot Mass Accountability was. Detective Oro approaches him.
No, I just walked up.
Okay. Here, let's go over here and talk real quick. You can do that all day long, man. I don't care about that, right? But just do me a favor. Like I told them, I tried to explain to you that I was conducting an investigation here. They're walking around all my car behind me and stuff like that. I don't know who they are, all right? So if you're going to be doing that, that's fine. Just do it over here, if you don't mind. I know I don't have anything marked up right now.
Am I detained to this area? So what other areas can I go to? That area, that area, that area, that area?
Anywhere you want, man. Just as long as it's not around us and what we're doing.
Yeah, I'm not here to interfere with you, man.
Yeah, we don't have a
I was
problem
here
with
an hour ago when the actual stop happened, and of course Fort Myers is all cool, so I was, 10 feet away from all of them because they're reasonable about it.
All right.
They're not dicks.
Okay.
Detective Oro admits he hasn't marked off a scene and tells Chuck to film from a considerable distance away. Note that Chuck is seen throughout the body cam footage of the incident, filming even closer than Mass or Jay was, leading me to believe that this was a simple case of contempt of cop. But wait, there's more. At the time Detective Oro arrested Jay and Mass, they had already determined that the car belonged to the driver's girlfriend. The driver was released, and the girl was called to retrieve her vehicle. All of this was known prior to Mass Accountability and Jay's arrest.
We'll let these guys finish up with you and go, my friend. All right?
Mass Accountability and Jay were kept handcuffed in the back of a police cruiser for almost 4 hours. After the arrest, a search warrant for their phones was granted, and it took almost 2 months to have the phones returned to them, though the prosecutor had no objection to returning their property. Jay and Mass Accountability went to court for the issue on February 28th of 2022, and for some reason, the prosecution didn't contest their motion to dismiss, so the judge was forced to drop the charges.
Charges are dismissed. Not because the prosecutor wanted to dismiss them, but because the prosecution failed to put in what's called a traverse, which is any reason why they would oppose the motion to dismiss. They didn't drop it because they wanted to. The judge dropped it because she had to. She didn't even want to do it because she felt bad for the prosecution for failing to do her job.
Jay and Mass Accountability plan on filing lawsuits now that the criminal charges have been dropped. I'll provide an update on that as the information becomes available. Both channels and Chuck Bronson's channel will be linked below. Videos with extra context and more footage can be found in the description and pinned comment, so be sure to give their channels a visit and let them know I sent you. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, Lackluster Limited for criminal psychology content, and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.